Today we're going to look at Google Scholar and how we can use this as a resource during our research process. So while online, you want to go to Google Scholar and then type in the information that you're looking for. We're going to look at technology in the classroom. I also want to make sure that I have selected a date range because we do want the more recent information whenever we're doing research. Now over here to the right tells us where the information can be found or what kind of information that it is. If it is not readily available online, you'll need to be able to log in to EBSCO or another online database to access the information. Now as I'm going through looking here, I'm going to pick out a couple that I feel will be interesting for me to read in the future and then I can access. By starring them, that puts the article into my library so that I can go back at a later date and read it. Now I have some of these starred, and then I can go into my library, and here they are. Another useful tool that Google Scholar offers us is formatting the citation for us. So if I click on the quote icon and choose whichever format I want, then I can copy that, and in a Word document I am able to then paste that information. We'll do another one. Again, copy an APA and pasting that information. Let's get 3 or 4 in here. Do this one. Copy and paste. Now we'll look at the bibliography. Of course, when we format our bibliography, we want to make sure that it is alphabetized, which this one happens to be MRS, so we're already alphabetized here. But we also want to have a hanging indent. And the way you do that, you're going to highlight and then pull this bottom tab down to come over. You also need your works cited to be double spaced. And it needs to say bibliography. And that is centered, but that is the only way that text is different from the rest of the page. Also, Times New Roman font, 12 point. And there we have our works cited page created.